Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to easily read your measuring tape with very easy steps so that you can understand what it means when someone says 3/8 of an inch, 7/8 of an inch, or 5/8 of an inch, or so on. If you'd love to watch more videos from me, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So without further ado, let's get in the tutorial after this short break. So I have my measuring tape here, as you can see, and this measuring tape has whole numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And then between these numbers, say between 1 and 2, there are small tiny lines. When we count these lines, let's count, there are 8. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's where the 1/8 of an inch comes from. If the measurement ends on, for example, on this one here, we would say 1/8 of an inch. If it ends on the second one here, it will be 2/8 of an inch. And if you further divide that, it will be 1/4 inch. If you divide 2 and 8, it will be 1/4 inch. If it ends on the third one, it will be 3/8 of an inch, and you can't further divide. If it ends on the fourth one, it is 4/8 of an inch. And if you divide 4 and 8, it gives you half an inch. That's where the half comes from. If it's on the fifth one, is 5/8 of an inch. On the sixth one, 6/8 of an inch. And if you further divide, it's 3/4 of an inch. On the seventh one is 7/8 of an inch. And when it reaches on 2, that's when it becomes a whole number. So this is how you easily read your measuring tape, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.